Okay,
Yes.
fine.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sri Lakshmi, can you tell me the parts of our digestive system?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell
Buccal
me.
cavity,
Okay, fine.
stomach,
Yes.
small intestine, large
Okay.
intestine,
Okay.
anus, and
Okay.
food pipe.
Food pipe. Okay, fine. Ananya, can you give me the another name of food pipe? There's another name we have learned for food pipe.
Ma'am.
What's another name of food pipe?
Esophagus.
Esophagus. Okay, esophagus. Okay, fine. Very good.
Eso-
Okay, fine. Ayan, can you spell the word esophagus? Can you spell the word esophagus?
Yes, ma'am.
Say. Spell the word esophagus. This is something new you are learning in this chapter, in this year. Spell it. What is the spelling of the word esophagus? O.
O-C-C.
Not really. O.
Ma'am, O-E-S-S.
Yes. O E. Not oneness. Oneness only. O E S.
O.
O. Okay. Okay.
C-H.
Okay.
A.
A.
G-U-S.
Yes. Okay. Fine. Okay. Steve, can you spell the word esophagus?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Oesophagus.
Okay,
Esophagus.
fine. Okay, fine. Aldous, name the three major glands. The three
Ma'am.
glands in our body. Gland. Mm.
Ma'am, salivary gland.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, liver,
Liver.
pancreas.
Okay. Smriti, which is the major gland of our body?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Which is the largest gland of our body?
Ma'am, the liver is the largest gland in our body.
Okay, fine. Very good. Devika, can you tell me what does the salivary gland secrete? What does salivary gland secrete?
Can I?
Devika?
Produce the saliva, ma'am.
Devika, I can't hear you. You said correct answer, but I can't hear you. Okay, Anna, can you tell me what does the liver secrete?
Ma'am, the liver produces bile juice.
Bile juice. Okay, very good. Balashankar, can you give me what does pancreas secrete?
Pancreas.
Pancreatic juice. Okay, so pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. Okay, I think we have discussed up to here. So can you now mute?
Ma'am, we completed gallbladder. Ma'am,
Okay, gallbladder. Fine.
yeah. Ma'am, and also the function of digestive juice. Excuse me,
Digestive.
ma'am.
Ayan, can you tell me what do you
Ma'am,
mean by
Ma'am,
gallbladder?
Smriti is calling you.
What?
Ma'am, can you say what the pancreas secretes?
What? Pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the spelling?
Pancre. Pancreatic. 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 Pancreas. So remove the S, add TIC. So you will get pancreatic juice. Okay. What is the function of the gallbladder? What is gallbladder? I was asking someone.
Ma'am, can I?
No, someone else was about to ask. Ayan, I think. Ayan.
Ma'am, can I?
Ayan, what is this gallbladder?
Ma'am, it is a sac used to store bile juice.
Yes, it is a sac-like structure. It is stored to bile juice. Okay, dear children. Okay, so we have completed. Now we are moving on to the various process which takes place in digestion. Digestion is not only simply one function. There is a really 5 type of processes going on. Okay, you can have this, children. Already in the text, in the note I have given. Otherwise, you can just click the photos. Already in the notes I have given. So those who wanted to know, you can click the photos. So our digestion is involved not only one single system, single process. It has got
Can we write down?
around, yeah,
Okay.
you can click the photo. Already in the notes I have given. And if you want to have easy way
Ma'am,
of
the photo of this slide.
yes, yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
part of this slide. So the various process involved in digestion of food in humans. Okay, so our digestion, it is not only simply digestion, it has got a lot of process. The first process we call them ingestion. INJE, not injection, injecting something. It's not that one. It is simply ingestion. We are not giving any hard sound to it.
Ma'am, in that
Ingestion.
it's C instead of S.
Yes. So injection means there's a lot of difference between the word injection and ingestion. Okay. So ingestion is the process of taking food into the body. So this ingestion is the one which is taking place in buccal cavity. So the process which is taking place in buccal cavity is ingestion. And who takes the food? The food which taken by mouth. So mouth is the one who takes the process ingestion. So ingestion is the process of taking food into the body. It takes place in buccal cavity. And who does this process in buccal cavity? It is the mouth. Clear?
Ma'am, mouth.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
clear.
Next
Clear.
one. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, digestion.
No,
Ma'am, digestion.
someone has asking some doubt.
Digestion.
Someone is asking doubt. What's that? Nothing like. Okay.
No, ma'am. We
Ah.
said yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now next process, digestion. Yeah, who is ma'am?
Ma'am, Ananya.
Ananda.
Ma'am, I didn't
tell me.
understand ingestion.
Ingestion means the process of taking food into the body, eating. Okay, you take the food and put in the mouth, and that process is known as ingestion. Clear? Who does ingestion? The mouth. So we are putting the food into the body is by mouth. From mouth it goes to other parts, and this process takes place which part of the organ? Buccal cavity. Okay. Buccal cavity, and mouth is the part of buccal cavity. After explaining each one, we will learn detail what is happening in the buccal cavity. First, I'll just tell you what are all these processes means, and then we go back to detailed study of each part. Okay. There I will explain more about the ingestion as well as the process which is taking place in the buccal cavity. Clear?
Ma'am, one doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, your video is stuck to me.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
She lost her connection. Devika, stop the recording.
No, boss.
Someone,
Ma'am, we can't see your
what's
face.
that?
Ma'am, we can't see you.
Ma'am, we can't see you.
Okay,
Ma'am,
fine.
we can only just
Wait,
the board.
wait, we'll come.
It
Wait.
means
1 minute.
Can
The
you
video
the
has
camera?
anyone else? Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, taking in food is by the mouth and chewing it is by the buccal cavity. Like that?
Yeah. That I told you. I will be coming in detailed study of it after explaining, after defining each term. Okay. So that we are going to the detailed study of buccal cavity later. So before that, I wanted to tell you what is each process means. Clear? Now just you learn the meaning of the definition, then we will learn one by one is detail. Okay. So next is digestion. So digestion is the process by which the food containing large insoluble substances is broken down into small water soluble substance. What does it mean? So already you know it. You take the food by mouth, and naturally in your mouth it gets be chewed and grinded into the form of paste form. Clear? And it will be go enter into the food pipe. It goes to food pipe and then it reaches to the stomach. And as the going on in the stomach, what will happen? Digestion takes place over in the stomach. So the food, the whatever the food you have it, that means the food maybe the vegetable or fruits or non-veg or milk or whatever, they are insoluble substances. Insoluble substance means which is not in the liquid form. Okay, it is in solid form. Okay, so in digestion which is taking place in stomach, so gradually what will happen? These substances break down to small water soluble substances again. It goes to minute particle. After we chewing it, it get entered through food pipe, it reaches to the stomach, and again in the stomach with the help of digestive juices, it will become small minute particles. That's the meaning of. So this is done by it is taking place in the part of stomach. Okay, digestion taking place in the part of stomach, but complete digestion will not take place. Only one part is taking place, that is converting into small soluble. It turn into small water soluble. So digestion is starting in stomach actually. Digestion is starting in stomach actually. It is not completing. So in that only the hard food materials, whatever we chew, that will be turned into small water soluble substances. Then come to the next one, absorption. So absorption is the process by which digested food passes through intestinal wall, that is small intestine. From the stomach it will enter now small intestine, intestinal wall. Intestine has a wall like a smooth wall like structure. What will happen? It will be absorbed by the blood cells. So whatever whatever you turn into water soluble, it will be absorbed by the small intestine walls. There actually the digestion is completing. Digestion starting in the stomach, turning into small pieces, but it is completely done when it enter into the small intestine. So small intestine, it will converted in the terms of nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats. It will turn into proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, all those things, and then it will be absorbed by our blood cell. So
Excuse me, ma'am.
actually blood is the one which is transporting all the nutrients in different parts of our body. Got it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, so breaking down is in the stomach and
Yes.
absorbing
Taking
is
place
in
in small intestine. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
From small intestine, it will be absorbed into the blood. Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we will be learning absorption is taking place how. There are some internal organs are helping small intestine in order to do that. That and we will be studying when we learn small intestine in detail. Now assimilation. So after that what happened? The blood is taking all the nutrients and it will be taken in body cells. So blood is flowing in different parts of the organs and the body cells, our muscles and tissue, all that will be absorbed. It will be converted in terms of energy, growth and repair. So all these nutrients, what is absorbed by small intestine is transported through the blood and it will be used for getting energy, for us to grow and also to repair our body. If you get sickness, if you get injured. So that process is known as assimilation. Okay. So now come to the fifth process. So there are total 5 processes taking place in order to complete digestive system. That is digestion. Last part is digestion. So what happened? The useful things will be absorbed by our body cells, and unwanted things that means all our feces. Number 2, we call it as a feces, and urine. Yeah, all these are undigested food waste material. It will be expelled or removed from the body through anus. So digestion taking place in anus. So anus is the one which is doing the digestion with the help of rectum, and large intestine. From small intestine, actually it goes to large intestine. So large intestine is the one which is collecting all the waste materials, and it will be expelled through rectum and finally through anus. So the process by which the undigested food or fecal matter, FECAL, the number 2 we call them fecal matter or feces. It's a scientific name. Instead of calling that word, we use feces or fecal matter. Okay, removed from the body through anus. So these are the things which is happening entirely in a human digestive system. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are coming to the second important part of it.
Yes, ma'am.
That is, what are the simpler substances which is turning into what type of nutrients? So carbohydrates is the one, and is one of the nutrient, but it again break down into what? Sugar means glucose. It will again break down into sugar or glucose. Sugar means what is not the sugar what you buy from the shop. Okay, that is from sugar cane. This is from natural sugar what we get by having the plant food and animal products. Okay, we call them glucose. Okay,
Excuse
we
me,
get,
ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, it's sugar. The sugar in this carbohydrates is the sugar we find in starch.
We find in starch, and also we find in sugar in all the fruits and vegetables. You know, the fruits are very sweet. Orange
ma'am.
is sweet, apple is sweet. All these are sugar, or we call them glucose. Clear? But you buy glucose from shop. That is what we artificially we make with the help of uh, uh, our artificial sugar, and that we make the glucose powder. That is different. So this is the one naturally formed what we get from while you have the fruits, apple, orange, and then we will have the tea. When you have the tea, you put artificial sugar into it. Naturally, that sugar will be turned into a natural sugar in our body. So these are the reason why diabetes people is telling us to avoid sugar content, if because this glucose cannot be absorbed by their body. That's the problem of a diabetic patient. If you are a normal person, whatever glucose you get from the body, that will be absorbed by your blood and the body cells. But as you grow older, when you go to old age, your system becoming weaker and weaker because you are getting old. So that is the reason some people get diabetes. They don't have a proper digestion because of the old age. Because of the
Yes.
old age, not only diabetes, you will get all the sickness. Your eye may be become, you can be little bit deaf, you cannot see the objects which can be far away. That is because your old age. When you become old, your body becomes started shrinking, and your bones and all overworked, it started decay. That's why you get backache, bone problem, all that. Clear? Yes.
Yes,
Tell me.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
uh,
ma'am, carbohydrates it's a complex
complex
substance.
nutrient what we get from rice, wheat, and pulses and all this. So especially potatoes and all, very often we use this. So all these contain, and kanji water, you know, the rice has a lot of carbohydrate. So it is actually the form of starch, then it will convert into carbohydrates. Carbohydrates again is a complex nutrient. Again we need to break down into the small content, that is glucose. So carbohydrates get break down into simple sugar called glucose. Then next is fats. What is the fat turn into? Fat will be turned back into, yes. The fat will be become fatty acid and glycerol. Fat will be again converted. We get fats from the animal products and food, plant products. This will be again converted into small thing, fatty acid and glycerol, because these all are in liquid form. Our blood can only take the food nutrients in the form of liquid. They cannot take, blood cannot take solid form nutrients. So all the carbohydrates, proteins, all these things, nutrients again will be break down into liquid form. So fats become fatty acid and glycerol is another liquid. You can buy glycerol from the market also. Okay, we use this glycerol because glycerol we are using in making bathing soap, shampoo, and all we use this
Ma'am,
glycerol.
so glycerin?
Glycerin also is the compound what we get from glycerol that we are artificially making with the help
Ma'am,
of
but glycerol is a type that is natural.
in this we are talking about glycerol is a natural glycerol which is present in our body. But this glycerol in our body, glycerol is coming with the, it is making with the help of carbon, oxygen and all. Clear? So in the companies, we can artificially mix carbon, oxygen and all, you can make glycerol artificially. Especially the medical companies where they, medical lab, pharmaceutical companies where they make the medicine for you, they do all these things. Clear?
Clear,
Because
ma'am.
present, why they are making all these tablets? Because as you grow old, some of the people may lack all these things. So they are giving out from outside in the form of tablet or tonic, it will be given to you, or in the form of medicine. That is why pharmaceutical companies are doing it. Okay? These all natural. If you are a normal person, like you kids, you are a normal children. That is why we are telling, your mothers are telling you should drink milk every day, you should have egg every day, because some of the people, some of the students don't like drinking milk every day. Why the mother and father is forcing you to have this and this? The reason is that you should have all these things in your body. And for that, you should have a balanced diet. You cannot have only non-veg every now and then. You cannot have only fruits every now and then. Our food should be contain all these things. Then only all these nutrients we will get in our body. It is very important for our healthy body. So if you lack any of this naturally, you may take some vitamin tablets, you take vitamin D tablet, you take vitamin C tablets, vitamin A tablets. Sometimes doctor will give you all this, because naturally you can get it everything from the food you eat. But if you don't eat, because some of the student doesn't like eating bitter gourd, some of them did not like pumpkin, some of them did not like cabbage and carrot. If you don't eat it naturally, what will happen? This nutrient which is available may not enter in your body. So that's the reason. Some may not like chana and moong dal. They are rich in, it's a nutritious product. All this peas, beans, all that. If you don't eat it, you may not get all the available components of food, ingredients or vitamins in your body. So that's why we are depending on doctor and all. Actually, it doesn't require if you have a proper food. Clear? Okay, fine. So that's about. So fats is turned into fatty acid. Fatty acid and glycerol. Now, what does proteins break down into? Proteins break down into amino acids. That is very important, especially for girls. Okay, because girls are the people, those who give birth to a new children or newborns. So for their body, amino acids very important to give strength to your stomach. You already know that. All of you, the mother is giving birth from your stomach, correct? So
Yes.
the girls especially
Yes,
require amino acids, enough amino acids in your body, because they are using their stomach and their organ well for to create a new human being. So it's very important. So proteins break down into amino acids. That's why they are forcing you to have egg, milk, and every day. Clear? So these
Clear,
are the
ma'am.
some transformation which is taking place. These are the some transformation which is taking place in our life during digestion. Okay. So I think we have one more class. So
Ma'am, at 4:55.
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
already
4:55.
12:30. You have another class 4:55. That time you will learn now the function of buccal cavity in detail. What are the different parts in buccal cavity? What are the uses of each part of the buccal cavity? Okay. Now almost 12:30. I am winding up the session now. Okay, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, children. Have a
Bye,
nice
ma'am.
day.
Thank you,
Put up
ma'am.
what I
Thank you, ma'am.
say and make
Yes,
your
ma'am.
food
Thank
is
you, ma'am.
you should have a proper food. That's
Yes,
it.
ma'am. Sure, we will.
Bye. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Tata.
1 minute.
Ma'am.
Aldous,
Yes, ma'am.
what is that? Are you become a host or something like that? I cannot.
Ma'am, I think you press leave the
Okay,
meeting.
fine.